Hi guys, I'm back. I don't know, there is some technical glitch, so my internet got disconnected. But yes, I'm back and I'll wait for everyone. Hi Siddesh. Today Instagram is not allowing me to connect. I tried like so many times. Sorry for the inconvenience everyone, but आज Instagram का कुछ लफड़ा चल रहा है. So how you all are? Hi Neville, hi Ajmira Trisha, hi Khushbu, hi Dhruvi, hi Vinita, hi Bhavesh. So good to see you all on my live today. So welcome everyone. Welcome to my show Gupshup with Navrang episode number 7. I am your co-host along with my co-founder Siddesh Jadhav. I welcome you all for my episode number 7. So guys, we'll discuss about something very important right now. I am very emotional about it. Like आज जो 20th June है, today was supposed to be the first day of our Navratri practice physically on our studio at Kandivali, but due to all this pandemic and all, we are virtually celebrating and enjoying and talking with each other. So let's see. Many of the students and everyone is asking me, sir, कब होगा नवरात्रि होगा कि नहीं होगा? We are so ready. We are ready to roll and all. बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू वन थिंग, जैसी भी माता जी की इच्छा, जो भी माता जी की इच्छा होगी वो होगी. एंड आई एम रियली वेरी पॉजिटिव अबाउट इट एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि नवरात्रि होगी. और मुझे अपने स्टूडेंट पे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है कि हम लोग को 15 दिन भी प्रैक्टिस के मिल जाएगी. सो वी विल मेक श्योर दैट वी आर गोना बी रॉकिंग. सो येस, आई एम वेरी प्रीटी श्योर अबाउट इट, वेदर नवरात्रि हो रही है नहीं हो रही है, बट आई हैव दैट फीलिंग दैट I don't know, but it is my gut saying that नवरात्रि होने वाली है and I'm very positive about it. So that's it guys. And बहुत सारा पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ लेके मैं आ चुका हूँ कोविड के लिए. नेगेटिव न्यूज़ तो सोशल मीडिया पे दिख रहा होगा, बट आई थॉट आई शुड गेट सम पॉजिटिविटी ऑल्सो अराउंड. येस मुकेश, येस सिद्धेश, वी विल बी रॉकिंग एंड आर प्रैक्टिस एंड एवरीथिंग हैज़ बिन पोस्टपोन्डेड. बट नवरात्रि कैंसिल है नहीं है, वो माता जी की इच्छा है और माता जी हमें खिलाएंगे, और नहीं खिलाना है वो भी उन पे ही है. सो हाय पवन जी, सो गुड टू सी यू ऑन माई शो. सो यही सब चीज़ें हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ गाइज, बिकॉज बहुत सारा नेगेटिविटी घुमा है. व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी से फॉरवर्ड्स आते हैं. मैनी पीपल आर आस्किंग, अरे तुम मलाड में रहते हो, सो मैनी केसेस आर देयर. कहाँ केस नहीं है, बहुत सारी जगह पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. दैट इज़ वाई दे आर सेइंग स्टे होम. सपोज मैं आज मैंने बहुत सारा देखा हुआ है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू गिव माई टिप फ्रॉम द एंड दैट प्लीज़ वेयर द मास्क. आज भी मैंने देखा हुआ है लोग पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर अ जॉगिंग, वॉकिंग, व्हाट नॉट. आई कैन सी मास्क पहनते हैं, फिर एक कान से निकल जाता है. फिर कुछ फीमेल्स होती है, नॉट टू बी ऑफेंडेड, बट दे यूज इट एज अ हेयर बैंड. सो गाइज, अकॉर्डिंग टू जर्मन स्टडी, 40% of the transmission can be reduced only by just wearing a mask, and that mask you can wear. इसमें भी बहुत सारे प्रकार के मास्क होते हैं. People, there are so many marketing gimmicks are going on regarding the mask and all. So I'll explain it to you. There are 3 types of mask. N95 मास्क होता है, वो जो डॉक्टर लोग यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज दे आर टू मच इनटू ऑल दी थेरेपीज ऑफ द कोरोना पेशेंट्स एंड ऑल. सेकेंड मास्क होता है सर्जिकल मास्क होता है, उसके अंदर वर्कर, सपोर्ट स्टाफ, जो फ्रंट लाइनर होते हैं वो यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर पीपल लाइक अस हु आर नॉट इनटू ऑल दिस, वी आर जस्ट गोइंग फॉर आर जॉगिंग, और जो डेली चोर्स होते हैं उसके लिए हम मार्केट में जाते हैं वेजिटेबल्स लेने के लिए या जो भी है, उसके लिए वी कैन वेयर अ कॉटन मास्क, नॉर्मल कॉटन मास्क जो हमें मिलता है वो. सो I hope this is clear to you. And last week many people must have thought कि like गपशप का episode क्यों नहीं हुआ, and why we have not, because there was a family emergency from my end. There are so many near and dear people in my family, and so they tested positive, and it was really very tough time for me and my entire family. But yes, this is what I have learned from them, that अगर विल पावर अच्छा हो और एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल हम लोग करते हैं और प्रॉपर प्रिकॉशंस लेते हैं, सो दे ऑल आर टचवुड बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस, दे आर रिकवरिंग रियली वेरी वेल, एंड सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट. सेकेंडली, बॉम्बे बांद्रा में एक होटल है, लाइक दे टुडे ओनली आई हैव रेड इट समवेयर दैट दे हैव अ ड्राइव इन टेस्ट I don't know, Explodive Dive or something, that hotel's name. They have a drive-in test. जैसे हम मैकडोनल्ड्स में कैसे ड्राइव-इन के बर्गर लेके आते हैं हम लोग, ड्राइव इन करके और तुरंत ऑर्डर लेके, सो वैसे ही आपका स्वॉप टेस्ट होगा नोज एंड टंग से, एंड विद इन 48 आवर्स यू विल गेट योर टेस्ट, कोविड-19 टेस्ट, वेदर यू आर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. वैसे सब बता देते हैं. इवन दो देर इज द टैट ऑफ द testing tat is 8 hours, but because of the report generation and all that, because of the workload, it takes 24 to 48 hours to declare whether the patient is COVID positive or not. Secondly, another good news, positive news I have read is government of Maharashtra has imported around 1 lakh rapid antigen test kits. ये rapid antigen test kits क्या होता है कि आप तुरंत ले सकते हो और 15 मिनट में आपको पता चलेगा कि वेदर यू आर कोविड अफेक्टेड, कोविड-19 अफेक्टेड और नॉट. सो बहुत अच्छा वो टेस्ट किट है. And another thing, everything, unlock 1.0 is going very nice. So every day I have read in the newspaper that 50,000 migrant workers are also coming back to Mumbai because factories and other stuffs are happening. Production has been started. So it's a good move. And guys, this is the way how you of life living right now. डर के इतना रहने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. डर के मत रहो, but you have to be safe. You at the same time you have to be very safe to take precautions, because when I go out I make sure that I wear a full sleeves t-shirt, mask, हेड पे बंद ना लगा के घूमूं, फुल शूज़ पहन के घूमूं. जितना अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज है आपके पास, यूज़ इट फॉर द राइट फुलनेस एंड फॉर योर ओन सेफ्टी. ऑल्सो 58.51% रिकवरी बढ़ी है, इवन दो द टेस्ट कोरोना पेशेंट्स भी बढ़ चुके हैं, बट येस इट्स अ पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ के 58.51% रिकवरी रेट इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीज्ड, हैज़ बीन इंक्रीज्ड. सो इट्स अ गुड थिंग अबाउट अस. सो एक और है समथिंग वेरी आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. वन मोर न्यूज़ आई सॉ, HUL हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर ने अनाउंस किया हुआ है दैट फेयर एंड लवली में से फेयर निकाल देंगे, एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड मूव बिकॉज I've seen many people tease, तू काला है, तू ये है. तो racism is not at all cool, not at all good, and you should look lovely. And वैसा है. I had a word with my friend, so we were discussing कि भाई कितना casually लोग कभी कभी बोल लेते हैं, अरे तू तो ये है वो है. So I hope body shaming, color shaming, no kind of a shaming is allowed, and it's not a cool. So चलो, ये तो हो चुका मेरा जो भी रिसर्च किया हुआ था मैंने, जो भी बोलते हैं ना लास्ट वीक के अंदर, जस्ट फॉर योर सेल्फ एंड फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड फॉर माई व्यूवर्स, मैंने ये सब रिसर्च किया था. तो विदाउट फर्दर डू आई वुड लाइक टू कनेक्ट टू आवर स्पीकर खुशबू चौटालिया, and then after that I'll give her her formal introduction to you all, and we'll start. So Khushbu, if you are around, just send me hi so that I can connect to you. एंड गाइस, मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में एक क्वेश्चन मार्क का आइकॉन है, सो यू कैन यूज दैट टू आस्क एनी स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस टू खुशबू. सो यस खुशबू, लेट्स वेट. तब तक आप लोग भी बताइए मुझे कैसा आ रहा है ये सब. हाय खुशबू.
Hi Alpesh, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing great.
First of all, guys, I'm very thankful to Khushbu. She had little bit health issues and all, but despite of all the stress and everything, she has decided to join my talk show. So Khushbu, I'm really very thankful to you and very happy that you are part of my episode 7, and welcome to my
Yes,
show again.
thank you Alpesh. It is your show. I cannot afford to miss this
Yeah,
commitment. So I had to be fit and
yeah.
energetic for this. So yeah, thank you so very much for inviting me.
Of course, my pleasure. And you are like always energetic, so there is no doubt without for that. So guys,
Thank you, thank you.
so guys, for the benefit of everyone, I would like to give a small introduction which we have prepared. I have prepared for Khushbu. So Khushbu is a lifestyle influencer and a financial planner. By qualification, she is an IT engineer and she is having a 7 years corporate experience in various capacity. Since childhood, she to be honest, Khushbu and I share the same alma mater. We are from the same school and we have done the schooling together at in 2004. So she was very, excellent and very, she was in a cream layer, first ranker, second ranker, always. So she's been very active in participating in various activities, competition, and she used to win that too. So ऐसे नहीं है कि सिर्फ participate करती थी. She used to win it and first prize, second prize. I remember. So she herself has her talk show interview for the entrepreneurs and the professionals. During COVID, she has started a campaign called hashtag Support World Economy Campaign, where she is doing a
Yeah.
text interview of a small businesses, entrepreneurs, and professionals across the globe. Right, Khushbu?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
she's also passionate about connecting people to their passion and thus helping them. And apart from this, she's also helping them to, go for an overall financial well-being. So welcome Khushbu to my show, and
Thank you.
hope you like this introduction which we have prepared. Huh?
It's
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah. So Khushbu, first of all, this school days में हम लोग साथ में थे, and we enjoyed our school life and everything. But how
Yes.
what kind of a interview wala passion? How have you generated? Like what it drives you to conduct so many interviews, and how it worked, clicked.
Right. So when I decided to quit my corporate job because I wanted to explore new
Yeah,
things in life,
yeah,
I couldn't see the growth in the corporate life. So
yeah,
I was, tried to explore about entrepreneurship and realize that, I am not connected to so many people. Okay,
yeah,
because in being in corporate, you are just restricted to your colleagues and just the family and the friends.
yeah.
So I wanted to grow my network, and then I did my influencer training, and through that I started my talk show where I interview entrepreneurs and professionals, and that became a connectivity point for me to grow my network. And I really enjoy talking to them, knowing about their products and services. That also gives you the knowledge about various industries, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
also it really helps you understand what challenges they have faced, how did they overcome it. So that is something, keeps me motivated to not quit my entrepreneurship at any point of time. So I really enjoy talking to them.
Great, Khushbu. Like, this is something valid reason. Very, very, very straight from your heart. You have explained about like how this passion has been, explored and you have worked on it. So, Khushbu, but I wanted to check for my viewers, like who are your target for the interviews? Like, how can they connect it to you?
So, as you said in the introduction,
Hmm.
my target audience is the small businesses
Hmm.
who have innovation, involved, who are
Yeah,
bringing some innovative products and the services.
yeah,
Then there are entrepreneurs and professionals who are very proactive, fast decision maker, who are
yeah,
go getters,
yeah,
who are enterprising and ready to explore things. So they are the best connect for me, who are really passionate about their work. They're not just doing their business just for the sake of business,
yeah,
but
yeah.
they are equally passionate. Just how you are passionate about Navrang and Garba.
Yeah. So that is why we were discussing, like, before the interview, like, why let's talk beyond Garba. So that was the reason, because, this pandemic and all, so Khushbu, I wanted people to think beyond the Garba, because Garba, so we can, have it later on, but at this
Yeah.
time. So the guys, one more thing, खुशबू का खुद का टॉक शो है, एंड ऐसा पहली बार हो रहा है कि आई एम टेकिंग एन इंटरव्यू ऑफ एन इंटरव्यूअर. So Khushbu,
I'm
this
glad.
is a I'm glad, and this is my pleasure. So Khushbu, one question, one of our viewer, Paulo Misha, has asked, what is influential marketing and how influencer, and what is influencer? Because many people are still not aware of it.
So, in simple term, okay, as the word suggests, it influences you. Okay, so when
Mm-hmm.
you say lifestyle influencer, what we all aspire to have a healthy lifestyle,
Yeah.
and a wealthy one too. where you have certain expectations out of yourself, and you want to use such products or use these services to upgrade your lifestyle. So, the overall well-being. So through this influencer, I help build the visibility of the entrepreneurs and professionals on the digital platforms, so that more and more people can be aware about their business, the services, the products, and thus helping them to, aspire to live a better lifestyle.
So basically she meant that influencer is हर एक बंदा influencer होता है, but आपको पता होना
Yes,
चाहिए कि how you can influence to other people around you, right, Khushbu?
for the betterment, for the
For the
betterment.
betterment, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Like because I remember like when you also helped me to raise my bar as an influencer. You are still supporting and will support me forever. So I understand how
Absolutely.
you influenced me for my financial planning, for my other things and all. So
Yeah.
what were the challenges faced by you, Khushbu, during all this journey?
Oh, challenges, there are many, but to name few, the very first thing is to see the acceptance of me being an entrepreneur, starting my entrepreneurship journey.
Yeah.
So the acceptance that I wanted to see in the eyes of my near and dear ones were somewhere lacking in the initial phase, which, it affects you sometimes, and it
Yeah.
used to make me sad, but at the same time then I realized that, let's not focus into those aspects. Let me focus on my work and let my work speak. Also, the fear of rejection. Then people take you for granted sometime. You're answerable to your family for not having the immediate source of income, because, when I was in corporate, I used to have,
Yeah.
the fixed income, you can say, salary coming up.
5-digit thing,
And
6-digit thing.
yes, fat fat salary. So that is not there, because, entrepreneurship is all about investing your time, money, and efforts. So that not having that immediate source of income also makes your family, worry about you. And also, if I remember, this was one of the big challenge that I faced, is not getting the referrals, the good referrals. When
Yeah.
you're in entrepreneurs, you always wish to have like-minded people,
I
where you
agree.
resonate with their energy. So those kind of referrals I was expecting, but I was not able to get it earlier. So these are few challenges that I can recollect. But then, yes, I figured out that challenges are all in your mind, and you
Hmm.
definitely have to work on your mindset, so that you can create the challenge. Sorry, convert that challenge into the opportunity.
Exactly. So guys, like challenge, it should be in your mindset. Head में रहना चाहिए.
Yes.
And Khushbu, even I remember because I used to urge people as an entrepreneur when I have started, so I can connect to you what you are saying because regarding the referrals. We are, in this social era, we wish all the celebrities on our stories and tagging them and expecting them the repost. But I have started this trend. I have started this for my friends that I'm gonna support my friends, those who are my real friends, who's gonna support me when I'm in the trouble.
Yes.
So nowadays, if you can see, I refer all my entrepreneur friends कि भाई इसका ये है, I'm gonna post on my story and all that. You're wishing to celebrities and all, they're not gonna reply to you. So yes, referrals. This is how it works. And I hope all our viewers also start this practicing. आप अपने फ्रेंड्स लोग फैमिली को सपोर्ट कीजिए. एक छोटा सा रहता है. सपोज one of my friend is she's manufacturing a soap and she's selling it
Okay.
in 100 rupees. People are not purchasing. People are not supporting.
Hmm.
फ्री में दोगे क्या? फ्री में करोगे क्या? अरे आई एम योर फ्रेंड. अरे
Yes.
प्लीज सपोर्ट योर फ्रेंड्स. डोंट आस्क फॉर
That's
फ्री.
what people take you for granted.
या अभी अब कोई ब्रांडेड रहेगा दैट 500 rupees वाला soap you gonna buy and you gonna
Yeah.
flaunt it with the tag and must and all that. So I have started influencing in that way. I'm supporting my friends and all. So guys,
Awesome.
As Khushbu has mentioned, रेफरल अच्छा होना चाहिए, और प्लीज सपोर्ट टू योर एंटरप्रेन्योर फ्रेंड्स, उनको ऊपर लाइए rather than suppressing their growth.
Pulling them down. Yeah.
So, like supporting and referral, I have heard about your new campaign, hashtag support world economy campaign. So, like,
Yes.
can you tell me something about it, like, for our
Yes.
viewers?
So, in lockdown, this lockdown is a blessing in disguise for me.
Hmm.
So I figured out that sitting at home, like earlier when I was having my talk show, I used to, take the interviews in Mumbai. I used to go to the interviewee's, office and take that. And that I couldn't do, right, during the lockdown. Of course,
Yeah.
I could do the live like, we are just doing, but I still wanted to try something different. So then, along with my mentor who taught me this influencer thing, we thought of coming up with this support world economy campaign where using internet we can reach out to each and every entrepreneur and professional across the globe, because the situation is not only in India.
Yeah.
Everybody in the world is facing the same. So why not to support, everybody who's in the, in the business and they're professional. So that's how we started this campaign. And for that we are taking the text interviews of like I've taken almost 50 interviews so far, including my talk shows, the video interviews, and
Hmm.
also many other text interviews, and we were able to reach out to the international entrepreneurs and professionals as well. And we willing to take 1001 interviews
Mm-hmm.
in next 90 to 180 days.
Okay. So, in continuation, like, how they can be benefited if they are featuring into your interview and talk shows and everything, and who can connect to you,
Right.
like, for an interview?
Right, right. So, as we all know, the world is going digital.
Yeah.
Everybody is going digital now. Of course, it was there earlier as well, but during the lockdown, this ratio has just increased, as we all know.
Yeah.
So it is very, very much important to those entrepreneurs to have their visibility beyond their known network people.
Yeah.
If I just know 1,000 people, sorry, let's say including my family and friends, if I, just
Hmm.
100 people are there on my Instagram, I
Yeah.
need to reach out to more, right?
Exactly.
Beyond my territory or beyond uh, what you say is
Your
beyond the
reach.
known people, right?
Yeah.
So to have their presence on digital platform is very much important. So that's the main motto of interacting with them and taking their interviews. Also, they are able to promote their product. They are able to tell about the services and the product much in detail.
Yeah.
Like sometime I can just talk about the product, but behind that product, who's the one who started it, who's the one who got this idea. It is also important to give that personal branding also, to have that
Yeah.
personal branding for the founder or the CEO. So that's where I help them to and of course it also creates a win-win situation.
Of
you know
course.
like I'm interviewing you, that it's not the end of the story. I would definitely look forward, like whom I can connect you with,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
who can be a good connect for you. So it should be win-win for both the parties.
So guys, those who are looking for the support and interviews, and those who are upcoming corporates or entrepreneurs, or those who wants to promote themselves, you can connect to Khushbu. I'll be sharing all the details, and she is very happy to help you all. So Khushbu, along with
Absolutely.
that, let's now shift the gears from this lifestyle influencer. Like these are
Mm-hmm.
these are these are the trying times, where people are economy is going down, and obviously people are मैं खुद भी खर्चा कम कर रहा हूँ because of less of the cash flow because of the pandemic and everything is closed. So what is your tip to my audience, all the audience who are watching us, that for their financial well-being, like, if you can tell?
So the very first thing is not to have the money stress. I know everybody is going through the money stress, and it's
Yeah.
just the creation of their thought. It's just the creation of their thought. So as my mentor teaches me, I am just sharing their word, his words,
Yeah.
that it's all in your mind. So you have to have a positive mindset. You have to shift your thought process from watching the negative news to the positive news, as you just started in the
Yeah.
beginning. Yes. At the same time, people are very, very, cautious about their health and finances. So I will definitely suggest them to, review their existing investment that they
Yeah.
have done in past. So this is the good time to go through the existing investment, review them, figure out the gap analysis. And if you're not able to do it, you can reach out to me. I will definitely help you to do that gap analysis. Also, you should be doing your emergency and risk planning. You should have the emergency contingency fund with you. So you have to start thinking of for your future thing. Most
Yeah.
of us have already experienced that. This is like more like a retirement period where you do not have anything to do, but you
Yeah.
still have to survive. So if you think, do you want to have this the same
Yeah.
life that you're going through in the COVID in your retirement planning, in your retirement plan, sorry, time, where
Yeah.
you have the financial crunch and you have lots of stress. Nobody would want such retirement, right?
Yeah.
So this is the right time to think over it and start planning. Do consult. If you already have your existing financial advisor, please reach out to them. If you do not have, you can definitely contact me for it.
Of course. Of
But yeah,
course.
don't take the stress. Don't take the stress. Rather than that, you should focus on what new you can do now.
Exactly. So, guys, rather than cribbing on the existing situations, I think we should have defined the more new ways or innovative ways to, plan our financial stability moving ahead. So,
Yeah.
moving ahead, let's go for a rapid fire round. Khushbu, are you all set?
Okay. Yeah, let's go.
Okay. So, mutual funds or fixed bonds?
Mutual funds.
Financial advisor or interview entrepreneurs?
Both.
What's your favorite hobby apart from taking
Dancing.
interviews? And I know,
Dancing.
I remember Malhari dance in standard ninth.
Yeah.
Your best pastime.
My best pastime is it was I had various pastime earlier, but now I would read a book or go through some motivational videos.
Amazing. So you are becoming a voracious reader now. So what's the best interview you have conducted so far? Like best example. मजा आ गई है जाने.
There were many, but one I had with one credit insurance expert.
Okay.
So she had, the roller coaster ride. So it was very inspiring to know her journey.
Khushbu, last question. I know the answer because you had this shared with me, but for benefit of my Navran people, how much percentage should one save a money on monthly basis for contingency from their income, of course.
So for contingency, if you are doing a job, you should have at least 6 months' salary saved in a liquid fund or in your bank savings account. And if you're a business person, then definitely the 12 months expenses that you have, you should have uh, in savings or the liquid funds.
But in terms of percentage, agar every month I'm getting X salary, so how many percentage can I, like per month, I can start like a recurring saving, if you can advise
40 to 50%.
40 to
Because
50%.
once you train your mind that I have to save this amount of money
Yeah,
for your insurance or for the fixed income or the fixed deposit or your funds or so, uh, your mind is set. You know, you might feel difficulties in the initial months, but
Yeah.
later on, your mind will get tuned to it that, you know, I have to park this much amount.
प्लासिबो इफेक्ट, जैसे वो बोलते हैं ना,
Yes,
एक वाइट दवाई दे दी, वो चॉकलेट होती है, लेकिन वो बोलते हैं सिर दुखने की दवाई है, एंड
yes,
इट्स गॉन.
yes, yes,
हाँ.
exactly, exactly.
So, Khushbu, this is how our rapid fire ended. And last segment है very simple, gupshup challenge. I wanted to give a big
Okay,
challenge to you, but because today you are little, here and there, so we'll go for a dumb charade. So hope you all are aware, guys. आप लोग को भी पता होगा. So let's start. I'll be asking one film's name, and you have to, understand and answer it.
okay,
So
okay.
this will be English, this will be Hindi. So I'm gonna, okay?
All right. I have to guess, right?
Yes.
You're enacting. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
It
Three
starts.
words.
Yeah.
Three words. Three words. The first word. तीन, छः, 6, 36.
Hmm.
Second, you're dividing.
Hmm.
First one, 36 Chinatown.
Ah.
You could
Thanks.
do just this.
I can't.
Yes, Sudesh is also saying 36 Chinatown.
Yes. Ah. So that's it. So Khushbu, I hope you enjoyed, and please take care of your health.
Yeah, I will do. Thank you so very much. And I had
Yes.
amazing time with you.
Yes, yes. So, yeah, Sarika girl is saying 30% is doable. So, what you are advising it to her? She's like
Please
50% इतना
do.
कैसे?
Please do. Please do. If you figure out that 30% is doable, please do.
She's also working in a very big MNC, and she was a part of our Gupshup show, very first episode.
Okay.
So, I'll connect to you.
Sarika, we can connect offline.
Yes, yes, please. So thank you so much, Khushbu, and please, please, please take care of your health. And I'm really very
Thank
happy that you
you.
could make it. Please take care of your health, and bye
I
bye.
will. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah,
And thank you so very much for
yeah,
the great show. Thanks.
yeah. Thanks, Bhavesh, to you also for supporting her and encouraging her to, be on my show. Thank you so much.
Yes. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Take care.
So guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Today I've kept only one speaker and बहुत मजा आ गया. बहुत. I really hope कि आप लोग को मजा आएगा. Next week also I'm coming with another speaker, but let's see आगे कैसे चल रहा है, because lots of work I'm also getting busy. So as and when मुझे time मिलेगा, I'll be organizing गपशप interview and we'll be there. Let's see कब तक चलते हैं. तब तक के लिए please save and please mask पहन के घूमना. प्लीज अगर बाहर जॉगिंग भी जाते हो, अच्छा एयर वेंटिलेटेड वाला मास्क लेके घूमना. थैंक यू सो मच, एंड दिस इज योर होस्ट अल्पेश रावल along with co-founder Siddesh Jadhav, signing off.